So message server also one of the work process in the DVGBM GS. Total the work process types are D, V, E, B, M, G, S, 7 types of work process we have. See here the message server, M for message, M for message server. Now we are discussing about message server. The message server is basically a load balancer. When this situation will come and how message server will do the load balancing, these two things we will discuss now. These two things we will discuss now. Like the regularly SAP having a 3-layer architecture. This is the UI layer, application layer, and the last layer is
database layer.
SAP GUI layer. What is the purpose of GUI layer?
To create the user request and send to application layer. Connect to application layer.
Very, very good. What is the purpose of application layer?
To receive user request and
execute.
Nice. The last layer is database layer.
Database layer.
The purpose of database layer is
Store the data.
To store the data.
exactly. When our application server will pass the data, the database will provide the data and it will store it. It's a storage place. It's a storage place. So that from this SAP GUI, the user request is went to the or created or sent to applications. In my laptop, I have my GUI. The same way, you will install the GUI in your laptop. The same way, Arif will install the GUI in his laptop. Mamata will install the SAP GUI in her laptop. Okay, Noman will install SAP GUI in his laptop. Like that, the multiple persons are accessing the same applications. Am I right?
Yes.
Because the application's details are same, right? We are all connected to the same applications. Let's see the user request 2, user request 3, user request 4, user request 4. All the user requests are received by the same applications. Multiple, infinite. Who will receive the user request?
Dispatcher.
Patcher.
Then
Wait queue.
Wait.
wait. Based on
First in, first out mechanism.
yeah,
Sorry.
what will assign?
Freely available work process.
Wrong. Once again, anyone else will try?
Dialog work process, I think.
Exactly. Freely available dialog
Dialog
work
work
process. Yes. Freely available dialog work process is assigned. Okay. So now I will give you a few statements from the dialog work process class. From the dialog work process class, each dialog work process can work for 5 to 10 users. Each dialog work process is can work for 5 to 10 users each data. The max work process limit is 600. The dialogues are greater than non-dialogues.